Hi, I am RVR. Today we are going to learn simple future tense. This is the most useful tense in English grammar. In series of tenses, I have been teaching you all the tenses. Today we are going to learn simple future tense. In this video, I'm going to teach you what is simple future tense, how to construct sentences, how to change one sentence to another sentence, other rules of simple future tense. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Let's go and learn. Welcome back to RVR English YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn simple future tense. This is the most useful tense in English grammar. We use this tense to talk about future activities in spoken and written form. So let's go and learn. Simple future tense is used to talk about simple future tense activities. Let's learn first the construction of simple future tense. I shall write a letter. I is a subject. Shall or will we should use to indicate future tense. Write V1 base form of present form. We should use after shall, will plus object or letter. So when you want to speak or write future simple, we should follow this construction. Subject, shall or will, base form of present form plus object. Then the sentence becomes future simple. Some more sentences for you. She will sing a song. He will drink milk. They will play cricket. Like this, you can construct future simple sentences. Simple future tense. Let's learn first a statement and negative sentences. I shall write a letter means in Telugu నేను ఒక ఉత్తరాన్ని వ్రాస్తాను భవిష్యత్తులో. Negative sentence. I shall not write a letter means నేను భవిష్యత్తులో ఒక ఉత్తరాన్ని వ్రాయను. We shall play chess. మేము చెస్ ఆడతాము. We shall not play chess. మేము చెస్ ఆడము. You will read a book. నీవు ఆ పుస్తకాన్ని ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదువుతావు. See, will. I, we, shall remain subjects we use will. In models I have taught you the meanings of shall, will, would, should, could. If you don't understand, play the models of video lesson and try to understand the uses of shall, will, would, should, could, might, must, dare, need, ought to, etc. words. So think and understand in English. You will read a book means నీవు ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదువుతావు. You will not read a book. నీవు ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదవవు. So understand like this. He will draw a picture. అతడు ఒక బొమ్మను గీస్తాడు. He will not draw a picture. Now read out the remaining sentences. She will make tea. She will not make tea. It will fall down. It will not fall down. They will win the game. They will not win the game. Like this, so we construct future sentences and we can change statement to negative sentences. Now let's learn yes or no question and WH word question. Shall I write a letter? నేను ఒక ఉత్తరం వ్రాయనా? What shall I write? నేనేం వ్రాయను? Shall we play chess? మనం చెస్ ఆడదామా? When shall we play chess? మనం చెస్ ఎప్పుడు ఆడదాము? Like this, understand the remaining sentences in Telugu. Will you read a book? Where will you read a book? Will he draw a picture? How will he draw a picture? Will she make tea? Why will she make tea? Will it fall down? When will it fall down? Will they win the game? How will they win the game? Like this. Okay, now let's learn the uses of future simple rules. We use simple future tense as for planned future actions. Summer will come soon. For offering, asking for a request, promising, ordering, threatening. Shall we go there? Will I go there? I will do it. You shall pay the money. So, asking, request, promising, ordering, threatening, all this you could express with a simple future, with the conditional time and purpose clauses. When I are at home, I will call you. For thoughts, predictions, assumptions, sureness, fears about future. It will rain today evening. She will come home tomorrow. Such actions also we express in simple future tense. Okay, students and friends, I think you understood it well. If you don't understand, replay, watch it again until you understand it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Let's meet in another useful video lesson. Until, bye bye.